G'day folks, what is going on? In this video I want to talk to you about how I've got my personal lead generation engine structured up as at Q2 2025. This is a really common question that comes up, and it comes up in a few different ways. How are you getting traffic? What are you doing for traffic now? Should I do paid? Should I do organic? What type of content are you creating? How much content should I create? Where should I create content? All these kind of variations, but fundamentally they all are really just asking, what's your recommendation in terms of generating leads? Okay, now the season that I'm in, I want this as machined and hands-off as possible, and I want to walk you through what I'm doing right now so that you can take it, use it, modify your own plan, see if it resonates with you. Perhaps we do some work together. But I've made videos like this in the past, and people seem to find it valuable when they can just see what I'm doing. Because when you've been in the game as long as I have, you've generated the results that I have, you've generated the results for clients that I have. You have a unique perspective. You know what's worth your time and what's not worth your time, and therefore by me showing you this, you can deduce a few things with some common sense around it. Okay, so before we dive into it, just in case you haven't seen this, the model that I've got in front of you is what I call my lifestyle business system, okay, or some variation of that name. If you want a full 25-page deep dive into this, I'll put a link to it in the description. You can check it out. It's 100% free. But this is a model that I've been refining for years and years and years, to the tune of well over $6 million in information sales, well over 8 figures with my clients. And it moves and evolves with seasons in business, seasons in life. And what you're seeing here is the latest iteration of it. At the time I'm filming this, it's the middle of April 2025. I just had my second son. And through Q1 of this year, in the lead up to him being born, I did a lot of reflecting and made some pretty significant adjustments. And what you're seeing here is the latest version. Okay, so in my business, we start with this left-hand side here, the top of the funnel, right? And we've got traffic coming in every day from paid sources, organic sources, and really this is where the model compounds on itself, word of mouth and other people's platforms, okay? Now that traffic that comes in when people come looking for me, or they see an ad or whatever and they find me, we run that to one of two different places, but those two things are interconnected, okay? They either go to what I call a master passive funnel, okay? An example of this, so you can see it, is here. This is a $50 offer that has upsells behind it, but this is a single core, lower ticket funnel that generates buyers, customers passively, and payments coming in passively around the clock from both organic traffic and from paid traffic. Okay, now the reason I call it the master passive funnel is you want this one core funnel that generates these payments, but you want it to be selling something that is super congruent with the main offer that you ultimately want to send people to. Okay, and I'm going to touch on that in a second. We also send people to free resources, right? Like I just mentioned to you, I've got my playbook, and then what we do is we actually interconnect these funnels so that when people are downloading free resources, they've got the opportunity to purchase something if they want to purchase it. Okay, so that external public-facing traffic, be it paid, be it organic, be it word of mouth, we ideally want to structure up so that people are running through these funnels, because then we're collecting data. We're collecting data that we own, and ideally we're filtering out people as well, and we're collecting data around who's a buyer, who's ready now, who's a hyperactive buyer, all this kind of stuff. Okay, and so this is where we ultimately want to push people, is to that master funnel. And then I call these skins. They're essentially different free resources that you can put in front of that same master funnel that might hook or interest people. If they land on that one sales page, maybe that doesn't really jive with them, but they see a free resource, and then it kind of piques their interest. Okay, so that's from the front end perspective, and I'm just giving you the kind of 30,000 foot right now, and then I'm going to go into the individual things that I'm doing in each of these. Okay, and then once we've collected that information, right, so they've become a buyer, they've become a customer, now they're on our list, our email list, right? And for me, I've sold millions with what you might call social selling, aka creating social media content, selling in the DMs and even on sales calls before that. But I'm seeing a big shift back towards email. I don't know if that's because people are a bit fed up with maybe the noise of social media. They're trying to find peace. They're trying to find more time to themselves. I'm not sure exactly of the reason, but email's becoming more and more powerful again, the way that I'm seeing it. Okay, and so this is all set up to grow that list around the clock, literally on autopilot. All right. Then the middle of the funnel, this is where we really build depth and connection and relationship with people. This is where we, deliver our value, tell our story, share how we can help them, share our philosophy, share our models, share our results, all this kind of stuff. The middle of the funnel really kicks in. And for me, this comes down to a couple of core components. I've got these 2 core ones here, and then I've got a bonus one that I'm going to tell you about as well that takes like an hour a week. And it's quite easy to add about $100,000 a year within that hour. But the 2 main ones are email and YouTube. YouTube's what I'm doing right now. I love it. I can hit record and I can just share stuff with you that hopefully is valuable for you. And then email, I can just write an email in 5 to 10 minutes a day and personally get in touch with my audience. So that's the middle of funnel component. Okay. And now here's where this gets really powerful. Hyper focus. I'll tell you this. I've made obnoxious amounts of money online when I've focused on one thing. I've made really good money online when I've divided my attention, but not nearly as much. Okay, so I'm back in a big season of hyper focus mode. Part of that is my own realization and business evolutions, but also a big part of that is the life season that I'm in, having a toddler and a new baby. Trying to split and divide my attention is very, 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 very challenging. Okay, and so I'm hyper focused on what's called my Lifestyle Business Academy. This is a leveraged offer. It's a $2,000 offer at the time that I'm filming this, and it essentially helps people build out this lifestyle business system. Okay, so that's the main thing that I'm focused on right now. And so here's where the power of this model kicks in. We drive all of this traffic, right, into the middle of the funnel. We warm it up, and then it all pushes to that one main offering. Okay, so what we're essentially doing is building up this like brute force attack towards that one offer so that it's essentially overwhelmed with hot pre-sold leads, and it works. Okay. The other thing on the middle of the funnel that I haven't mentioned here too is remarketing. So people that come into the world organically or through ads, they also then start seeing things that ultimately move them towards this point as well. But if you just think about it, we've got that one core offering and we're stacking these traffic pathways towards it, right? Either inbound leads into the emails and the DMs, YouTube videos pointing towards it, remarketing ads pointing towards it, Instagram automations pointing towards it. It's like, how many things can we point towards this one thing so that we just overwhelm this with focus and precision? All right. And so that's the core focus, is we drive all that traffic to that one point. And then post funnel is where we onboard and deliver. If you've got back end offers, my back end offer at this stage is my inner circle, where I work with people one-to-one, but my core focus is on the academy right now. You can retain, ascend. This can lead to joint ventures, partnerships, lots of interesting things. And then the model ultimately compounds on itself. Okay, this is where one client becomes 2 because people love the work that you do together, and then it feeds back on itself. You generate word of mouth, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I just wanted to touch on this quickly to really set context right now into my personal lead generation engine as it stands. Okay, so first part and a major part of this is paid marketing. Right now, I did millions and millions and millions of dollars online organically before I ever got into paid marketing. It's really been only in the last 6 months that I've really ramped this up. And so we've got ads running around the clock to this master passive funnel that I mentioned to you, generating buyers. This is what the flow of the funnel looks like currently. It's a $50 offer, a $27 offer, a $100 offer, a $47 offer, and a $297 offer. The goal here is to increase your average order value so that you can spend more to acquire a customer, which means that you can outbid your competitors on the paid marketing platforms. Okay, and like I said, we've also got various lead magnets that ultimately point back to this master funnel, like the playbook that I mentioned to you before. And we're experimenting with paid marketing on this side as well. These are currently performing better from a recovery of costs in an immediate period, and are currently experimenting with these lead magnets. They recover the cost, but not quite at the same rate, and so that's a point of experimentation. Over time, will easily shake out positive, but I want to recover as much as possible, as soon as possible, and so that's currently a point of experimentation on the paid marketing side. Okay, on the organic side, which at this point now really just exists to supplement this, it's like gravy. This is the core fuel behind the machine. On the organic side, we've got Instagram, we've got email, we've got YouTube, and then community, which is the bonus one that I mentioned to you in the when we were talking through this model here. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing with each of these. On email, I send 1 email per day. That may sound like a lot. I've gone through phases where I've sent 2 every day. It's really not a lot if the emails are good. Send 1 email per day. It's a story, it's a result, it's a light bulb moment for people, it's an insight, and it can move them to another piece of content. I can send an email to send someone to a YouTube video. That may be how you ended up here, but just look at it as a daily point of contact with your audience. Think about it like you're sitting down and literally like writing them a note. That's how I would think about it. And 1 a day is absolutely fine. It's not too much. I'll send a second if something comes up, right? So just to give you like literally a real-time example, I sent out an email last night. I've got an email scheduled to go out tonight. And then this morning when I got into the office, it was 48 hours out from our weekly call for LBA, and so I used that deadline and sent an email this morning, which will be my second email of the day, to say, hey, do you want to be on this call? If so, you need to jump into LBA in the next 48 hours. We can get on the call. We can get you rocking and rolling, right? So I've got my 1 email a day as a baseline, and then I'll send a second one if there's something in real time that I really want to share, okay? And like 9 times out of 10, the call to action is going to be, hey, reply, I'll get you the details for LBA, because I was telling you, that's what I'm hyper focused on right now. And so all these traffic systems, I want pointing to that main thing, right? YouTube, this is one I've been admittedly a little bit inconsistent with. It's just life's been really busy. And the way that the business is set up, it's not dependent on any of these. So I do have the flexibility to kind of turn them off and on. But the target is 1 to 2 videos per week. And it's going to be a mixture of what you're seeing right now, where I am literally using Loom. I hit record and just share kind of behind the scenes, what I'm learning, what I'm working on, what I'm doing with clients, tactical stuff. Like I've been sharing some of the Instagram stuff that I've been working on. And then from time to time as well, they'll just be, videos where it's me with my iPhone telling a story, talking about lessons that I've picked up along the way, things that I'm picking up now. It'll be a combination of those. And the target is 1 to 2 per week, just depending on how busy things are inside the business and outside the business. And then over on Instagram, you can go check out my profile if you want to see this in real time. But really doing 3 things: carousels, reels, and stories. Okay. They are all done with the goal of getting people to interact in order to request a resource. That resource could be some kind of PDF playbook, some kind of like 1-page resource, a behind the scenes resource, repurposing these as much as possible where we can, but effectively harvesting the organic platform for emails and buyers. That's the goal. Okay. This is a relatively new system for me. It's really, really going well at the moment. You can go look at it and model. I've done a bunch of videos on this. You can go model it. For the first time, I batched an entire week of content this morning. It took me about 2.5 hours. Eventually, I'll get my VA and stuff to come and help me with that, but I like to do it first so that I can really nail it. But an entire week, I think last month of running this system directly, it generated just shy of $5,000, which is pretty cool. But more importantly, a bunch of leads and a bunch of buyers who ultimately end up in this 2K offer. And so over time, that will be a lot more. It will be multi 5 figures, if not 6 figures. And so the plan is to knock this out on a Monday morning and just don't really have to think about it. And so just before I talk about this bonus one, if you look at the time of these, this is like check the ads once a day, add some new creatives, here and there. It doesn't take a lot of time. My daily email takes me maybe 10 minutes, if that. This YouTube video is the length of the video plus a small amount of admin, so call it 1 to 2 hours per week. I batched the entire week this morning. This is the first time I've done this. It took me 2.5 hours. If the first time I do it takes 2.5 hours, I can easily dial this into a 90-minute process a week. So they're really not that time intensive, okay? And the way that I've got things set up such that I don't have to do sales calls in order to get clients, and the system is all interconnected where the paid ads grow the list brings me leads, and then I simply send over an offer document. It's a very, very efficient model, right? And so really the goal is just build up a pool of really awesome people to work with here, and then off the back we can explore different opportunities to partner up, maybe to do a JV, to do some one-to-one work together. And so this is, when I said off the top, I'm in a season of life where I want this as machined as possible. That's really what I'm talking about. These lean traffic systems, organic and paid traffic systems on the front end, to ultimately feed this one main offer. And then just on one bonus one, if you've got a Facebook group or a community, I've been doing this for about 9 months now. It's like the simplest way to run a free community if you've got one. I maybe wouldn't recommend going and starting one right now. Depends on where you're at, really. But if you've got one, the simplest thing is pick one free resource a week, write 3 posts around it that all point back to that same core resource, and then hook people up with the resource and use that as a lead generation source, okay? If you generate 2K client a week, there's your 100 grand. And this is so quick. Like this, pick your resource. It could be a video, a guide, a script, a template, a funnel, whatever, something that's congruent to where you ultimately want people to move to. Write 3 posts that tell people to comment, to get that thing, space them out throughout the week. If you want to add a 4th one, make it a direct pitch post. That way you've got like a 75% to 25% ratio of value to pitch. Make it to your core offer. And then send that resource out, or have your assistant send it out, and then move them into your sales flow, whatever that ultimately looks like. For me, it's just getting the offer doc into people's hands, and that can literally take like an hour a week. By the time you get the resource, schedule the posts, send out the messages, it's very, 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 very simple, okay? And so I'm doing that as well with my assistant. And that's really it in a nutshell right now. We are experimenting with some other things. We're experimenting with some stuff over on LinkedIn, but that's super early days. But this is the core lead generation engine at the moment. Under ads, I should also mention as well that we're doing remarketing. Some of that pushes back to the $50 funnel, and some of it's pushing directly to LBA. Pardon me. Just depends on who is being remarketed and how far into this system they are. The further back they are, the more likely they are to get remarketed with the $50. Further in they are, more likely they are to get remarketed with this core offering here, okay? So hopefully there's some insights there. From a kind of first principles, fundamentals perspective, if you just take away, I think we're in a season where you really need to focus and nail that core offer, and then stack attention, stack pathways that all point to it. Eventually you'll overwhelm it with warmed up leads, and that's how you'll hit your income targets. Then work with those people, give them a great experience, and you can ascend them up and do some really cool stuff on the back end, okay? Hopefully there's some insights in there that you can take away. There's a bunch of links in the description if you want to check them out, be it playbooks, resources, funnels, workshops, my website, LBA, my Lifestyle Business Academy. There's heaps of cool stuff below. You can check it out. But hopefully you get some value from that one. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.